Hi everybody, welcome to the career journey with confidence underscore at MP. Are you looking to upskill yourself or reskill yourself or just explore new interests about yourself? Then you're at the right place, because in today's video I will be sharing with you amazing information about Unisa courses that you can simply study. Whether you're a busy professional or a student but eager to learn, then these courses are made for you. Unisa short courses offer flexible and affordable ways for you to gain more knowledge or just to upskill yourself with the skills that you may need of every day of your life. Example, let's say you are a business owner, or you are doing something, or you are trying to do digital marketing, or you're just doing something. So taking a short course can be advantage to you, because you will gain more knowledge and skills for you to use to your business, the one that you'll be busy with. So it's never too late, never too wrong to take a Unisa course. So these are the requirements that you're going to need for you to apply for a Unisa short course. So as you can see, you will need a copy of your qualification, your school qualification, which is a senior certificate. They gave an example with the senior certificate. Please take note that I am not sure if you would qualify if you are in grade 11, or maybe if you failed your matric or something. I am not sure, but I will do my research. But as for now, let's focus on the senior certificate. The second documents that you're going to need is your copy of your official tertiary academic records. If you have those, please take note. No internet copies will be accepted. Please make sure that you scan your documents in black and white. The third document will be a copy of your ID, obviously if you're in a South African student, or passport if you're an international student. So the fourth one will be a copy of your marriage certificate or divorce certificate, any if you are married or divorced. A sworn transaction of your documents if they are not in English or Afrikaans. Guys, please take note that you can only upload 2 megabytes files, and you can upload more than that on this website. And again, your documents should be in black and white. No other colorful documents will be accepted. Mostly importantly, you can only upload your documents into PDF and doc image files. Please take note, when trying to apply for short learning course at Unisa, you don't need to pay an application fees, but you're going to pay for your own fees, because not NSFAS do fund your short learning courses, but instead you will have to pay for yourself. With that said, I will be taking you through all the programs or courses or advanced courses that Unisa offers. For in case if you don't know what programs or short courses they offer, I will be showing you, or I will be telling you all about it. And the one that you'll be interested in, that is the one you'll apply for. You are going to go on the Unisa website and you're going to say view the short learning programs, and always opt for all programs so that you see all different programs or short courses that they offer. And this is advanced courses, advanced program courses, short courses. There are a lot of them, and you have to decide which one you want. Also click on each and every course that you want to see what are the requirements, and if you qualify for the requirements. It is important to read and understand what you are really applying for. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this information was relevant to you and everyone who needed the information. So please comment down below to the information that you may need, or about how to apply for these short courses. I can simply make a video for you on how I can show you how you should apply for these short learning courses. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, I hope you comment. Mostly don't forget to subscribe, and also please follow me on my main channel, which is confidence underscore at MP. Go watch my videos, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.